How many times have you had to explain something complex, whether it's for class, work, or even just a project, and thought, man, I wish this could just explain itself? Well, that's basically what Google just gave us. NotebookLM now has video overviews, and by the end of this video, you'll see how you can take a messy bunch of notes or sources and turn them into a polished, AI-narrated video in minutes. Welcome to AIChief, your go-to place for everything AI. And hey, if you want the latest AI updates, tools, and insights delivered straight to your inbox, check out our free newsletter at AIChief.com/AI newsletter. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. So here's how it works. You can add your own sources like PDFs, Google Docs, or YouTube links, or you can just discover sources with one prompt. Let's say I want to learn how AI works for business owners. I type that in, click submit, and NotebookLM gives me a bunch of sources. I can pick the ones I like, or just import them all. Now I could add some instructions if I want, like explain this simply, or focus on risks, or I can just jump straight to video overview. I hit generate, wait a bit, and boom. NotebookLM creates a full video for me. It's got slides, narration, and a clear structure. And the best part, I can play it back at different speeds, share it, or download it as an MP4 to use anywhere: presentations, study sessions, client updates, you name it.
So if you're running a business, you've probably noticed the term AI is just everywhere. And honestly, it can feel like this huge, complicated thing, right? Something for other companies, maybe the giant ones. Well, we're going to cut through all that noise. By the end of this, you're going to see AI not as some complex threat, but as maybe the most practical tool you can add to your business. Let's just get right to the big question hanging in the air.
And if you prefer listening instead of watching, there's audio overviews. Just tell NotebookLM what to focus on, and it'll generate a podcast-style breakdown of your sources. Super handy if you want to learn while commuting, exercising, or multitasking.
How AI works for business owners.
Yeah.
We've pulled a lot from AI for Business, a deep dive. Really practical stuff in there.
And what's great about your focus is that word how. But how it actually functions in a business, how it delivers value, that's the key. And there's so much interest, so much noise out there.
There really is.
Our source material helps cut through that, focusing on the practical side for business owners.
Okay, good.
Mind maps are another feature I love. With one click, NotebookLM visually maps out your research, showing the big ideas and how they connect. Perfect if you're a visual thinker or need to present relationships between concepts. And yep, you can download it as a JPG too. Then you've got reports. Depending on what you need, you can generate a briefing doc for quick insights, a study guide for exams, an FAQ to simplify complex info, or even a timeline to organize events. And here's a neat trick: any report you generate can be added back as a source, so you can keep refining your research. If we talk about pricing, here is a quick breakdown. On the free plan, you can generate up to 3 audio or video overviews per day. On NotebookLM Plus, you can generate up to 20 audio or video overviews per day. So here's the big takeaway. NotebookLM is no longer just a smart notebook. It's an AI-powered research hub that can turn your sources into reports, mind maps, audio explainers, and now full narrated videos. Whether you're a student, a teacher, or running a business, this is like having a research assistant, a designer, and a presenter all rolled into one. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to AIChief for more deep dives into the best AI tools out there. And don't forget to join the AIChief newsletter. Its link is in the description, so you never miss the biggest AI updates. So what do you think? Would you actually use video overviews for work, school, or just personal learning? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear how you'd use it.